Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which I will be trying to refurbish or actually repair, make one perfectly functional phone out of two, Nokia 6210S. This one has broken display, this one starts but it's not showing anything. And I'm hoping it's only the flex cable broken, and on this one it's just the display problem and that's it. So I'll try to make one functional out of two. First I'm going to put this here, turn it off to know that it's the display, and disassemble this one that doesn't show anything. Well, wish me luck. I really want to make this phone work, and I'm guessing it respects the same navigator tradition and putting a wait, this one has it? Yes, but it's not saying anymore. I'm putting this thing that says navigator on it. Come on, yes. It has screws. So I definitely have to take it apart. There we go. Oh, this one it's in circles, eh? It means that it's broken in the body shell. Oh my god. I think it has I don't know if I'm saying it right in English, blocking paste, because if it doesn't, it means that it has been tampered with before. Oh, really now? My god. Oh man. Oh, it's so tight. I wish I'd say that. Definitely here's the speaker. Oh, yeah. Now this one. Oh boy. Man. My eyes are out like a snail. Come on. Oh. This is the tightest phone I ever unscrewed. Actually, I'm not saying it right. This is the phone with the most tightened screws. Whatever. Oh my god, I need a drink. Phew. Okay, will it open here? No, because it's being held by those screws that won't detach. Oh boy, let's show you something else. These keys are ripped anyway, so, or torn anyway, whatever. So yeah, no mercy needed. What's wrong with you? So yeah, this is actually a separate part, just like the old navigator phone, only that one wasn't so annoying. Oh, even this it's cracked here, and this one it's in better shape. So yeah, we're knowing what body shell we're keeping, so let's tear it apart. So this is where it's all the problem, in this plastic bit. Seriously, forcing my way downtown. Yeah, dude, this is getting really on my nerves. What is wrong with you? Oh, and you also ripped. Nice. Good to know. I'm unsticking the keyboard. What's this? Oh, a small diode. Good. Just extra care. Really didn't want to do this, but I have no choice. Easy here. Good. Finally. It's only this metal thing that's holding it. Any flex cable here? No, only on the front, I think. Yeah, here it is. Oh, okay, it's coming off. Oh, actually, here's the display. This has to be it. There you go. Easy now, easy. Don't let the anger get to you. Easy, easy. And the few. What the heck is this? It's wet and it smells oily. What is this? What is this? It's just not as thick as I thought. Yeah, boy. I will keep that one. Oh, here's the problem. Wow. See this? There we go. Flex cable, good. It's in good condition. Perfect. Now let's put this, well, not new, used display carefully here and hope for the best. Really? Oh, come on! Seriously, you two? Man! Wait a minute. Is this the same display like the N73? It's the opposite way. Dang it. Yeah. Okay, it's good enough. Is this one? It's... Oh my god, I may have a display. Well, intended for another phone, but you had better work. Well, it works. Chop me up and make me bacon. It works. Which keyboard they say that I'm using? Oh yeah, this one. Properly clean it. Well, it has a few scratches here and there, but hey, it's not a new body shell, so I'm not complaining. Oh, what's in this thing? Oh. No wonder it wasn't lightened properly. Well, I think I'm mostly angry because I wasn't expecting it to be this problematic. Either way, this is how it remains. Nothing more, nothing less. All the keys working fine, good. Good. It will stick eventually, just need some time. Properly clean the navigator logo. In case you want to disassemble a phone like this and you are wondering why I did not disassemble it, I'll show you in a minute. Here is the problem on this phone. That's why I haven't disassembled that one. This is the middle part. I teared it here, ripped it in half because it was cracked, and I got angry, and you get the idea. Here you see these are the screws that didn't came off. And the problem is with these nuts, these screw nuts. Oh my god. these screw nuts are molded here in this plastic part, and for some reason either they were very tightened, but if I'm looking at one of these screw, it has I don't know if I'm saying correctly, locking or blocking paste on it, and it got blocked on the thread. And when I turned the screwdriver, it actually turned the nut in here. It got unstick from the plastic, and it was literally just rotating there in the plastic. It would never be disassembled unless I forced my way. I ripped here and here and got like this. Now I can just use, let me show you, a pair of pliers to hold the nut in place, and with the Torx screwdriver just try to think it's working. Oh man, yeah, think it's coming loose. Oh boy. Whew, that was my workout for the hole here. Here's the screw, it's got warm, and here's the nut. Yeah, that's the problem on this phone. So unless you really need to disassemble it, don't do it. And here, oh, it's ripping the motherboard. Interesting. This one has only one speaker, apparently not two like the previous phone. Whatever, still a pretty looking phone. Now let's see how many talk hours. Warranty 9 hours. Really? Only 9 hours and 51 minutes? Either this phone was reset or I don't know. It's kind of fishy. Unable to access. Oh, this camera is looking pretty good. How many megapixel? 3.2. Nice. Okay, let's get out of this. Navigator. No network connection, or enable. Wow, it's definitely a navigator. Exit. Well, I have a perfectly working Nokia. What Nokia was this? Dang it, I forgot. I have a perfectly working 6210S navigator. I'm going to put it in my showcase. So I hope you found this video useful on if it's worth it to disassemble this phone or not. I like these doors. These doors are nice. Yeah. And how to change the display. It's not hard at all. And it's a pretty good looking phone. I like the way it looks. I don't know, I'm impressed of it. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. And I'll see you in the next video. Which, who knows what phone I'm going to refurbish. And I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourself. Don't forget to give my video a like if you enjoy it. And subscribe to my channel for more daily videos. And press the bell notification icon. And that's that. Bye.